Hello everyone, I am Vaishali Kalyani, AutoCAD faculty of CEC Head Office. This is my second video on AutoCAD. Today I will show how to set up a page on AutoCAD. Let's get started.
So this is the AutoCAD window. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the page or window on AutoCAD. Before started drawing on AutoCAD, we have to do two basic steps to set up the page or window. At first, we have to set the drawing limits as per our drawing requirements. Suppose I want to create this object on AutoCAD. Now the length of the object is 96 and the breadth of the object is 64. Then I have to set the limit more than the length of the object, and I also need some extra space from all the sides of the object. So 500 by 1000 is sufficient for my drawing. Now that space I will set by using limit command. To set up the limit, go to the format menu, click on drawing limits, or we can directly type it from the keyboard. Just type LIMITS limits and press enter key. See now see on the command bar it asking to specify the lower left corner. I give it 0 0 and press enter. It means x will be 0 and y will be 0. And I always keep this lower left corner as 0 0. Again it asking to specify the upper right corner. And I have decided for 500 comma 500 comma 1000 and press enter as per my drawing requirements. This always depends on our drawing. After this, we should apply this limit to the all screen or window. For that, we have to type Z enter and A enter. This is zoom all command. Our next step is unit setup. To set the drawing unit, go to the format menu, click on units, or we can directly type it from the keyboard. Just type UNITS units and press enter. Now the unit dialog boxes appeared on the screen. Now in AutoCAD we have 5 units. One is architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional and scientific. If I want to make drawing on millimeters, then I will choose from here decimal. Next precision 0.00. If we don't want to show digits after point, then keep it single 0 only, 0. And you need to scale inserted content as millimeters. If we want to make drawing in feet or inches, then we have to choose architectural or engineering, and I choose engineering. Then precision 0 feet dash 0 inch, and you need to scale inserted content as inches. After all this, click in OK. Now we can draw anything on AutoCAD. And this is all about today's video. For further educational video, like our Facebook page and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.